The saga begins in March of 2023, when the possibility of an indictment loomed over former President Donald Trump. A Manhattan grand jury was considering a pre-election payment made to Stormy Daniels, drawing parallels to a similar case involving John Edwards, who was acquitted of campaign finance violations. Trump's defense potentially argued that the payment aimed to shield his family, not deceive voters. But the crux of the case was whether the payment intended to hide the matter from the public. Adding to the drama was the testimony of Michael Cohen, whose credibility was under scrutiny by Trump's allies. Prosecutors were also considering charges related to falsifying business records. The complexity lay in linking federal election law violations to state charges. The involvement of a state prosecutor in Trump's case added a new dimension compared to Edwards's federal prosecution. Fast forward to April, and the plot continued to thicken. Lawyers for Donald Trump requested a one-month delay for the start of a sexual assault and defamation trial brought by E. Jean Carroll. The reason given was a need for a cooling-off period following Trump's indictment for falsifying business records related to the hush money payments. Trump's attorney argued that intense media coverage of the criminal charges could bias potential jurors. Carroll's attorney, however, opposed the delay, emphasizing the ability to impanel a fair jury in New York City. Meanwhile, Manhattan prosecutors were pressing charges against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments during the 2016 campaign. The case presented legal complexities as prosecutors aimed to prove felony charges based on the intent to conceal or further another crime. The indictment hinted at potential underlying crimes related to federal campaign finance violations, state election law, and New York tax law. Legal experts were divided on the strength of the case, with some believing it could lead to a guilty verdict, while others questioned the novel legal theories and lack of transparency. In summary, the latest chapter in Donald Trump's hush money case involves a potential indictment, a possible delay in a separate trial, and ongoing legal battles over the nature and intent of hush money payments. The case is expected to face extensive litigation and may ultimately reach the U.S. Supreme Court. As the narrative unfolds, stay tuned for more updates on this captivating political drama.